In addition to running our recent engagement survey, we also ran performance reviews. And so I need some help analyzing those performance reviews to get started in helping our managers know where and how to grow their people. Again, it's going to ask me for the files. I'm going to upload those responses as a CSV, but again, you can do this as a PDF or Excel. And here we go. We have an overview of the cycle, including the number of recipients and the cycle name and the number of questions we asked. We have individual results by person. And what I really want to focus on is one manager really asked me to create an IDP or to think about a growth path trajectory for Brian. So I see that he's passionate, curious, and empathetic. He really accomplished a lot in 2024, and he helped build that product strategy, but that's a continued area of opportunity for him. So want to go ahead and build an IDP for Brian. And in about a minute, I have an IDP for Brian that I can open up. We'll see 1 year, 3 year, and 5 year goals. So product strategy and balancing sales opportunities, organizational skills around workflow efficiency, and increasing that customer engagement, such as we saw in terms of the recommendations. We'll see a personal analysis of his strengths and opportunities over here. This comes directly from his review conversations and his annual self-evaluation. So we'll have an action plan here, and then it states some timelines for revision. So this is a great IDP for Brian, all in a matter of minutes. Stay tuned for part 3. Now that we have our review results summary, we also have an IDP for Brian. I'm going to go ahead. We need a policy on promotions and career advancement. So I want to go ahead and be able to answer questions for this manager as well as for Brian when they start talking about where his career is going. And again, in a matter of minutes, we have a promotions and career advancement policy. The purpose is to establish a clear framework for promotions and career advancement at the company. We talk about merit adjustments, equity adjustments, role changes, and promotions within this policy. It's a great draft that talks about the employee, manager, HR, and chief people officer responsibilities and roles. This is a great start. So I have 3 more deliverables coming out of just minutes of work and talking to Nova. Stay tuned for part 3 of my day.